Hi all and welcome back to our channel. So today let's see how we can create activity types and schedule or plan activities in Odoo 14 community. So when you just go to CRM, there you can find under configuration option to configure activity types. So you can see there are different types of activities like it can be email, call, meeting, or making a quotation, order to upsell, uploading document. Like this we can find different type of activity type, and we can see the default summary, some few details like planned in, then type of activity in the list view. Okay, so when you click create, you can create new activity type. Then here we can set the action to perform. It can be meeting, upload document or none. Then we can set a default user for this activity type. So I'm setting Michelle admin. Then we can set default summary. Then we can see an option that is to trigger next activity. So when you enable this, you can see default next activity. This field becomes mandatory. That is, we can schedule a next activity after this activity. Then we can also mention the recommended next activities after this activity. Then we can set email template. Then we can set schedule date, for example, 1 days after previous activity deadline or after validation date. Like this way, we can set a schedule date, and it is also possible to provide a default description for the activity type. Okay, so after that, you can save this. So you can say active type is created. So now when you go to sales, here you can find option to view all the activities. So you can see for sale orders, the scheduled activities. You can see some emails are scheduled, order to upsell, to do. You can see the schedule, and it is also possible to schedule activity directly by clicking on this. And we can select a sale order from here and schedule activity for that sale order. So here we can see activity type, due date, assigned user. So we can schedule plan activity from here. So just we can schedule it. So you can see for sale order, this sale order, you can see activity to do scheduled. And when you just click on orders or quotations, here you can see in the list view itself, we can schedule activities. So when you click on this, you can see option to schedule activity. And here we can plan to do. Okay, let me plan a meeting. And when you click on open calendar, you can see the calendar is shown. So from there we can plan activity, and we can see different colors. Like if it is orange or yellow color, it means the activity is planned for today. And if it is green, then you can see some due date for the activity. Okay, suppose I'm scheduling one more activity for the sale order. Can schedule more multiple activities. So if I'm scheduling a call, and if the due date were November 19th, and if I click schedule, you can see it is in red color because this activity is over. can just click on this and we can click as done and schedule next or done. So you can see it is removed from this list. And inside the form also, that is when you click on, and we can also plan activity in from the form. That is when you click on this, you can see this is a form view. So below you can find option to schedule activities. So from here also we can plan activities for this sale order. Can schedule. So you can see due in 5 days uploading document, and when you come back to our sale order 12, you can see here activities schedule. So that's how we schedule activities or create activities in Odoo 14.